Hi, my name is Dr. Jeffrey Allen Gray. I'm the president of Helux. What Helux does is provide an independent third-party research facility for footwear companies. And really what we want to do is try and figure out a way to make every shoe idea the best possible shoe for the customer. When you look at the MBT running shoes, it's really a unique take on what running shoes are. It definitely looks different, but there's also a lot of unique things happening inside of the shoe. An important part of a running shoe is providing protection from the ground and helping to cushion the body. Now, our body has its own cushioning structures, and we want a shoe that will work with those cushioning structures. And so in the unique foam array and the unique shape of the MBT shoes, we're able to get a very different cushioning experience. A lot of runners have very unique strides. Almost no two running strides are the same. And so part of that is making sure that a shoe will work with every type of runner that puts their foot into the shoe. Because the MBT has these unique foam arrays where there's going to be different cushioning in the heel, midfoot, and forefoot, and then in each different model that is tuned for a specific type of runner. So if you're a runner that is a little bit slower or maybe a little bit heavier, there's going to be a shoe for you. If you're a runner that likes to do a little bit of faster stuff and maybe some shorter distance, this foam array and the shape of the rocker is going to be tuned to that runner as well. In general, if you look at all the shoes that are available on the market, there are some innovative ideas, but usually they're just variations on a theme that's already been exposed. What was really exciting about the MBT product is that they had a very unique take on a really innovative idea. Interesting for us that they took this rocker profile that they were known for and then made modifications to it as far as the shape and the geometry and the type of foams that they were using so that it would work with a wide variety of runners. So Helix has ways to study all of these things, and we applied all that testing knowledge to the MBT product when it was in here doing testing with us.
The innovation and design MBT footwear has long been respected for can now be found in three unique profiles: fast, performance, and cushioning. Modified and mindfully built to meet the varying needs and biomechanics of runners, join me as we explore our new exciting Speed 2, GT, and Z18 running profiles, designed to meet the diverse preferences of your running customers. You may have heard that a midfoot strike is optimal for efficiency and alignment while running. MBT's design has core features that promote stable midfoot striking and support a smooth and controlled mid to forefoot transition, resulting in a faster toe-off. If you're after a lightweight racer, the new Speed 1000 series model is it. An upgrade version from the popular Speed 18, the new Speed sports a new sole tooling with the same rocker and pivot strike that promotes midfoot striking. The midsole is made of special EVA that is 10% lighter than normal EVA and provides better rebound and less deformation. The outsole is made of high-resistant rubber for extra high mileage. The Ortholite insole provides lasting cushioning, breathability, moisture wicking, and antibacterial properties. The Speed model is the lightest MBT performance running shoe so far. MBT introduces its most advanced running shoe, the GT 2000 series. Special two-sensor midsole construction consists of a new EVA material that gives you more propulsion and plush cushioning. The GT 2000 series is at the top of its class with a unique two-sensor midsole construction with pivot strike, enabling a smooth gait transition that propels you forward. The one-piece shank provides support and promotes the forward rolling propulsion to toe-off. The special EVA at midsole is 10% lighter than normal EVA and provides better rebound and less deformation. The sensor is made of special EVA that has high resistance to abrasion and temperature during material fatigue. Jacquard mesh upper is lightweight and ultra-breathable and comes with M-Flex technology. Special grooves at the toe box adapt to your feet during different stages of running for a snug custom fit. The Exo heel counter provides strong support while the memory foam cradles and forms to the shape of your heel and Achilles tendon, giving you exceptional fit and reduced slippage. Understanding MBT's unique sole construction will help you to connect the benefits of the shoe with the needs of your customer. When we approach overall health and comfort from the feet up, we can focus in on three important factors: repeated shock, inactive stability muscles, and poor circulation and posture. Let's take a look at how MBT can help to combat these three things. In the heel, we find the MBT sensor that provides a nice soft contact with the ground. This sensor, along with the angle of the rocker bottom, allows our heel to sink comfortably down as it would in soft natural ground. Next, we have our TPU shank and lasting board, which rests on top of the midsole and pivot axis. Together, these act as a slight balance board, which gently challenges our body to adjust and stabilize in the same way a trainer might use balance to strengthen the protective muscles around our joints and spine. Increased muscle activity within the lower limbs and feet will act as a pump, increasing circulation. This will benefit customers who experience achiness from long hours on their feet. All three of these components, combined with a premium durable rubber outsole, create a rocker bottom that allows a gentle active roll across the midfoot as opposed to the shock, slap, and compression experienced in conventional footwear. When standing in MBT, you put more emphasis on the midfoot, relieving pressure off the heels and balls of the feet. So what will this unique sole construction do for your customer? Let's review. It can help to reduce the repetitive shock that can cause joint pain and breakdown. It incorporates balance, which is widely used to strengthen the protective muscles that support joints and posture, and the balance challenge creates muscle activity in the lower limbs and feet, which can aid in increased circulation and more upright posture. This should cover a large percentage of your customers' comfort needs. MBT is committed to a long-standing reputation for premium quality. In our footwear, you will not only find the finest stitching, full-grain leathers, premium synthetics, custom EVA, and durable non-marking rubbers. MBT shoes are lab-tested to ensure quality, benefits, and performance. For all weather protection, MBT's Gore-Tex linings, also found in select MBT styles, provide ventilation and waterproof protection for both hot and cold conditions. Thanks to Vibrum's specialty outsoles, one can enjoy the benefits of MBT footwear at work and in more challenging outdoor environments. The Vibram XS Work, featured on MBT's professional service shoes, allow your customer to be both comfortable and safe in slick work environments. This sole is made with a high-performance outsole compound with optimum slip and oil resistance. The sole is non-marking with anti-static and insulative properties. For those ready for adventure, select MBT footwear features the Vibram XS Trek outsole. This technical trekking compound represents performance and durability. The Vibram XS Trek is engineered for difficult trekking and multi-sport performance. The soft, flexible compound has ultimate grip response on both wet and dry terrain. Slick work conditions, a challenging trail, inclement weather, MBT is for hard surfaces. We give your customer options to keep them comfortable and prepared so nothing can stop them. Now that we understand the basic construction, let's talk about MBT index levels. The index level found here in the box identifies the level of MBT activation. There are 3 levels available to fit your customer's preference: Activate, Dynamic, and Performance. When you choose Activate, you are choosing our flattest and most stable MBT sole. Your customer will benefit from the soft MBT sensor as well as the pivot axis that will provide a nice gentle roll while walking. Our dynamic sole has higher sidewalls and pivot axis along with a medium to strong rock. This provides an increased level of activation while walking and standing. Finally, our performance sole offers our highest activity index. This index possesses a strong sole curve and higher pivot axis, allowing for maximum MBT sensory motor activation. What works best for each individual is unique and unknown until they have tried all 3. One may find that the index level that works best for exercise is different from the index level that works best for standing on their feet all day at work. MBT has long been loved by those looking for comfort during work, travel, fitness, everyday walking and standing. With a performance running line and casual recovery sandals and slip-ons, MBT has something for you from Monday to Sunday. Nurses, teachers, stylists, servers, those who spend long hours on concrete floors at conventions and expos, MBT can help to provide great relief to the feet, joints, and backs of this group. For the traveling customer who understands that the more comfort their shoes provide, the more they'll be able to explore and see. With MBT, nothing can stop them. Whether your customer is a newcomer to fitness or high-level athlete, we have a selection to serve their needs. Let's start with fitness. While many walkers settle for a running shoe that works, MBT footwear was actually designed for the proper posture and biomechanics of walking. These shoes were made for walking, not just lifestyle walking, but fitness and conditioning walking as well. Are you training to walk a 10K or half marathon? This is your shoe. Athletes, trainers, physical therapists, and even professional sports teams around the world, like the Ninkatsu Soccer Club of Japan, have incorporated MBT shoes into their preventative exercise routine. MBT Performance Running Range is also used by Swedish adventure race team led by Jonas Andersson, and they won gold at the 2017 Expedition Africa Adventure Race.